Hi friends! In my previous videos I showed you how to create striking backgrounds with alcohol inks on your gel plate that you can then turn into art journal pages. And today I'll use one of those backgrounds to create a super easy art tag. Follow me along! So this is one of the backgrounds I created in a previous tutorial, and I find the combination of black and gold quite majestic, but it's a little dark, so I'm going to modify that with the help of a new stencil I just got and my trusty gel plate. Since I've got my gel plate out and some leftover paint, I might as well do a little gel printing while I'm at it. This blue page is the art journal page I created in my last video, by the way, and I'll put a link to it at the end of this video in case you missed it. I like my art tags to be double-sided because I don't like to waste any space, so I'm using gel medium to glue my inky background to the back of this one. I love this simple background, so I'm going to add some simple decorations to it. First, I'll incorporate these watercolor circles I painted a while back, and they will act as focal points for the quote I'll add later on. I'm going to use gel medium once again, but I always have trouble gluing thick watercolor paper down, so I may need to use some makeshift weights to hold the circles down while the glue dries. And this is what I've got so far. I'm now going to add a subtle border with this Pebeo gold gel. I'm not sure if this product still exists as I've had it for about 25 years. Yes, seriously, and it's still perfectly fine. It's a bit like a shimmery white paint with a hint of gold in it. Next, I'm adding gold dots around the circles to echo the gold in the background. I'm using acrylic ink for this, and you'll find everything in the list of supplies in the description box. A little black around the edges of the tag will add definition and will echo the black in the background, so everything works in harmony here. And finally, it's time to add the final touch, a quote from an Art by Marlene sticker book. I feel like adding a little bling to make this tag really pop, so I'm pulling out my stickles to add a little glitter. I love how this tag has turned out, and I hope you enjoy watching me create it. This was Mimi Bondi coming at you from the Central Coast in Australia, and I hope to see you again at my next video. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.